chapter 2, the core of your research paper. This chapter lays the groundwork for your findings and provides strong foundation for your analysis. We'll also touch the essential of APA 7 formatting to keep your work professional and consistent. The literature review. Students need to understand how to conduct and write a literature review, which involves summarizing, synthesizing, and critically evaluating existing research relevant to their topic. Chapter 2 is often referred to as the literature review, but it's more than just listing sources. Think of it as a conversation with your expert in your field. You're presenting the existing research, identifying gaps in knowledge, and build a strong foundation for your own study. Now, let's talk about key points. So, there we have thematic organization. So, this structure, you review by topic, not chronologically. Second, we have synthesize information. So, don't just summarize sources, analyze and correct them to your own research. Third, we have use proper citation. So, APA 7 is the key for credibility and avoiding plagiarism. And now we have the source of information. So, this point emphasizes the importance of selecting appropriate and credible sources for your literature review. Students should know where to find reliable information like academic database, peer review, journal, books, and etc. And how to evaluate the quality and relevance of sources. Related literature. This likely refers to the actual content of the literature review itself. It's not just finding sources, it's about how to organize, present, and analyze the information from those sources in a coherent and meaningful way. This section likely tests the student's understanding of how synthesize information from multiple sources. Now, let's talk APA 7, the gold standard for formatting research paper. It's all about clarity, consistency, and giving credit where it's due. So, APA 7th edition. This indicates that the literature review must adhere to the formatting guidelines of the American Psychological Association 7th edition style guide. So students need to know how to correctly cite sources within the text and create a properly formatted reference list. Writing chapter 2 can be a lot of work, but it's a crucial step. Here are the few steps to make the process smoother. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute. Use research database. Find a quality sources efficiently. Next, take a break. Avoid burnout by taking time for yourself. Get feedback. Share your draft with someone else for helpful insights. Chapter 2 is your opportunity to shine light on the existing research and connect it with your own study. Remember to stay organized, cite sources accurately, and embrace services. I'm sure you'll write a brilliant chapter that sets the stage for amazing discoveries. And there you have it, the secrets to conquering the literature review. A best many students fear, but one you can now tame. Remember, even the most seasoned research started somewhere. So grab coffee, your resources, and let's get writing. Thanks for watching, and may your citation will be flawless.